Have you ever wondered what makes a cake rise or why the sky is blue? The answer, my friends, is chemistry. Chemistry is like a giant puzzle, and we are constantly discovering new pieces. It's a fascinating subject that helps us understand the world around us, from the smallest atom to the largest star. So, put on your thinking caps, and let's embark on a journey into the wonderful world of chemistry. We'll explore the fundamental building blocks of matter, uncover the secrets of chemical reactions, and even conduct a simple experiment right at home. Get ready to be amazed by the wonders of chemistry. In the simplest terms, chemistry is the study of matter and its properties as well as how matter changes. It's like a giant recipe book for the universe, explaining what things are made of and how they interact with each other. Chemists, the brave explorers of this tiny world, use their knowledge to create new materials, solve environmental problems, and even develop life-saving medicines. So, next time you bake a cake, take a deep breath of fresh air, or marvel at the colors of a rainbow. Remember that chemistry is at play. Chemistry is not just something that happens in laboratories, it's all around us. It's an integral part of our daily existence, influencing everything from the air we breathe to the products we use. Whether we realize it or not, chemistry is constantly at work, shaping our world in countless ways. From the food we eat to the clothes we wear, chemistry plays a vital role in our everyday lives. The flavors in our meals, the colors in our fabrics, and even the medicines that keep us healthy are all products of chemical processes. Every time we eat, shop, or take medication, we are interacting with the results of chemistry. For example, cooking is essentially a delicious chemical reaction. When we combine ingredients and apply heat, we are initiating a series of chemical changes that transform raw materials into a meal. The Maillard reaction, for instance, is what gives browned food its distinctive flavor. When you bake a cake, the heat causes the ingredients to interact, transforming them into a tasty treat. The baking powder or baking soda reacts with the other ingredients to produce carbon dioxide gas, which makes the cake rise. This is a perfect example of chemistry in action in our kitchens. Even the process of digestion involves complex chemical reactions that break down food into nutrients our bodies can use. Enzymes in our saliva start the process, and stomach acids continue it, breaking down proteins, fats, and carbohydrates into simpler molecules that our bodies can absorb and utilize for energy and growth. Chemistry also plays a crucial role in developing new technologies, such as smartphones, computers, and renewable energy sources. The batteries that power our devices, the materials used in their construction, and the processes that make them efficient are all products of chemical research and innovation. It helps us understand the environment and find solutions to global challenges, such as climate change and pollution. By studying chemical reactions in the atmosphere, scientists can develop strategies to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and clean up pollutants, making our planet healthier and more sustainable for future generations. Let's start with the basics. Matter. Matter is anything that takes up space and has mass. That means everything around you, from your phone to the air you breathe, is made up of matter. Matter exists in different states, the most common being solid, liquid, and gas. Think of water. It can exist as ice, solid, liquid water, or steam, gas. The state of matter depends on how tightly its tiny particles are packed together and how much they move around. Understanding the properties of matter helps us in countless ways, from designing buildings and bridges to developing new materials for clothing and electronics. Now let's dive into the microscopic world of atoms and molecules. Atoms are the basic building blocks of matter. Much like Lego bricks are the building blocks of amazing structures. Atoms are incredibly small. In fact, they're so tiny that millions of them could fit on the head of a pin. Atoms can join together to form molecules, which are like tiny teams of atoms working together. For example, water is a molecule made up of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom, H2O. Just like different Lego bricks can create an endless variety of structures, different atoms can combine to form a vast number of molecules, each with its unique properties. Section 6. Chemical reactions. Nature's magic show. Chemical reactions are like nature's magic shows where substances transform into something entirely new. Imagine a magician waving a wand and turning a hat into a rabbit. Similarly, in the world of chemistry, substances interact in fascinating ways to create new forms and properties. These transformations are not just limited to laboratories, they are happening all around us, every single day. In a chemical reaction, the bonds between atoms are broken and reformed, creating new molecules with different properties. This process is like a complex dance where partners switch and new pairs are formed. The energy involved in breaking and forming these bonds can result in dramatic changes, such as the release of heat, light, or even sound. These reactions are the foundation of countless processes that sustain life and drive technological advancements. One of the most common examples of a chemical reaction is combustion, which is the process of burning. Combustion is a high-energy reaction that releases heat and light, making it essential for activities like cooking, heating, and even powering engines. When you light a match or start a campfire, you're witnessing a chemical reaction that has been harnessed by humans for thousands of years. When you light a candle, the wax reacts with oxygen in the air, producing heat, light, and new substances, such as carbon dioxide and water vapor. This simple act of lighting a candle is a beautiful demonstration of a chemical reaction in action. The wax, primarily composed of hydrocarbons, undergoes a transformation that not only illuminates our surroundings but also provides warmth and ambiance. Chemical reactions are happening all around us, from the rusting of iron to the photosynthesis process in plants. Rusting is a slow reaction where iron reacts with oxygen and moisture, leading to the formation of iron oxide. On the other hand, photosynthesis is a vital process where plants convert sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water into glucose and oxygen, fueling life on Earth. These reactions, though different in nature and speed, are crucial for the environment and our daily lives. Understanding chemical reactions allows us to control and utilize them for various purposes such as creating new materials, producing energy, and developing medicines. Scientists and engineers harness the power of chemical reactions to innovate and solve problems. From developing life-saving drugs to creating sustainable energy solutions, the knowledge of chemical reactions is pivotal. It enables us to design materials with specific properties, improve industrial processes, and even address environmental challenges. The magic of chemistry is not just in the reactions themselves, but in the endless possibilities they offer for improving our world. Section 7. A fun experiment, mixing things up. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of chemistry with an exciting and interactive experiment that you can easily do at home. This experiment is not only fun but also a great way to understand the basics of chemical reactions. Now let's put our chemistry knowledge into practice with a fun and easy experiment you can try at home. You'll need baking soda, which is a common household item often used in baking, and vinegar, which is an acidic liquid found in most kitchens. In addition to these, you'll also need a balloon and an empty bottle. These simple items will help us create a fascinating chemical reaction. First, carefully pour some vinegar into the empty bottle. Make sure to pour enough vinegar to cover the bottom of the bottle, but not too much that it overflows when we add the baking soda. Next, use a funnel to add a spoonful of baking soda to the balloon. The funnel will help you avoid spilling the baking soda and make the process much easier. Then attach the balloon to the top of the bottle, making sure the baking soda doesn't fall into the vinegar yet. This step is crucial because we want to control when the reaction starts. Finally, hold the balloon upright, allowing the baking soda to fall into the bottle. Observe what happens. As the baking soda mixes with the vinegar, you'll notice an immediate reaction. The baking soda and vinegar will react, producing carbon dioxide gas. This reaction is a classic example of an acid-base reaction, where the baking soda, a base, reacts with the vinegar, an acid. The carbon dioxide gas produced will inflate the balloon. This is because the gas needs space to expand, and the balloon provides that space, causing it to inflate. This is a simple example of a chemical reaction producing a gas. It's a fun and visual way to see chemistry in action and understand how different substances interact to create new products. Try it out and see the magic of chemistry unfold right before your eyes. Section 8. Chemistry, a journey of discovery. Chemistry is an ongoing journey of discovery, with scientists constantly making new breakthroughs and expanding our understanding of the universe. From developing new materials with incredible properties to creating life-saving medications, chemistry plays a vital role in shaping our world. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of the atom and beyond, who knows what wonders we'll uncover? Perhaps we'll discover new elements, unlock the secrets of dark matter, or even find ways to create sustainable energy sources that could power the world. The possibilities are as limitless as the universe itself. Section 9. Keep exploring the wonders of chemistry. This is just the beginning of your chemistry adventure. There's so much more to learn and explore in this fascinating field. Read books, watch documentaries, and never be afraid to ask questions. Remember, chemistry is not just about memorizing formulas and equations. It's about understanding the world around us at its most fundamental level. It's about curiosity, creativity, and the thrill of discovering something new. So keep exploring, keep experimenting, and never stop being amazed by the wonders of chemistry.